So there seems to be a lot of disruption happening in the hotel industry. What do you see as the most significant changes?
Talked about over the last year and a half has been the consolidation of the hotel operators around the world. Continuing pressures for that kind of consolidation to continue. Of Airbnb on the hotel business. And that goes across all segments of the market, from low cost even up to luxury.
But the effect of Airbnb on the market, is it something more than just upsetting the room rates per night for hotels?
Yes, there are, but I think there's a more fundamental change that's beginning to affect the market from Airbnb.
How so?
The attachment to brands in making their hotel choices is slowly and almost subconsciously starting to dissolve. Says that it really can't go on much longer. It represents an opportunity for owners to consider not having to go to a brand to run their hotel. The option to establish the property as their own independently run property is not just because of the Airbnb effect, but the technology that's changed alongside that.
What does this mean then for hotel companies? What's the impact on them?
So while a hotel company can still provide the assurances of their standards and quality, if they can also then provide the individual and uniqueness of an individual location, they have a chance against these trends in the market.
Interesting. So where do you see the opportunity for white walls in all of this?
Where hotel owners will still continue to want to bring on the large hotel brands to run their properties. But I think there also will be the owners who do see opportunity in running their own.
So in the instance where they choose to work with an operator?
I've seen where the friction and the lack of perfect communication between all parties, between the owner and operator and his design team.
And what about in the case where the owner decides to do it independent and go it alone?
My experience, having worked with hotel companies for 30 years, I can bring a lot of the guidance to owners in that process that the technical services teams from hotel companies provided in the past.